Nick Merrill here again to talk to you about what's new in Verisurf 2021. New Verisurf 2021 has enhanced the feature alignment in Automate and Report Manager to support datum feature alignments without the prerequisite of an established work coordinate system, or WCS. Feature Align also displays the parent features in the using field to make it easy on users to quickly identify what objects are being used in that alignment, and enables users to change dependencies and assign objects using the feature line without having to recreate the alignment. Feature nominals are used to automatically create the respective work coordinate system while simultaneously using the measured to align those results to that WCS, and it's all done live. Let me show you. In this example, you can see my bracket is in the aircraft coordinate system, but I want to move that coordinate system up towards datums A, B, and C, and to represent where my part's going to be sitting on the CMM. So let's go ahead and hit Add Features from CAD. We're going to choose our datum A plane, our datum B cylinder, and our datum C cylinder. And we'll go ahead and hit Enter. Next, we'll go ahead and select the Feature Align icon, and it automatically knows what my primary, my align axis, and what my origin needs to be. Now, when we set OK here, if we want to take a look at this in the Report Manager, you can see that feature line shows what we're using. And if we need to change that, it's just a click away. We can pass features back and forth as needed, and when we need to recalculate, it's just a simple double click. We can go ahead and recalculate, hit OK, and the alignment's updated without having to recreate anything. This greatly improves the workflow for all users performing feature lines in a plan, whether you create them in Automate or Report Manager. Check out all of the new Verisurf 2021 features and you see the difference. If you like our videos, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and we'll notify you when we post new videos. Thanks for watching.